Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Spotify on your Vizio Smart TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start playing music from Spotify on your Vizio Smart TV. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But essentially, what happened with me is that this is my model and year of my Vizio Smart TV. So if I navigate to where the App Store is, which is on the left-hand side, basically there's one of two scenarios, okay? You can either find Spotify in the App Store. And so let's say that we do an app search and we type in Spotify here. What'll actually happen is that because I have an older model of Vizio Smart TV, the app for Spotify actually doesn't appear in the App Store. So the workaway around it is that what I normally do now is that I simply just AirPlay Spotify from my phone. So what essentially happens is that I just click on AirPlay and then I make sure that my TV and my phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi. And while they're connected to the same Wi-Fi, I AirPlay my phone to my Vizio Smart TV. And so from my phone, I basically cast Spotify from my phone onto my Vizio Smart TV. So that's essentially the work around it, guys. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find a way to download the Spotify app on my Vizio Smart TV, but I know that with newer models, you might be able to download the Spotify app. But the best workaway around it was just casting from my phone or my laptop or my computer to my Vizio Smart TV. But let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.